What's up, guys? It's JB Outdoors. Today I'm going to be making some Frank's Red Hot tilapia with coconut flour. They're really easy to make. This is frozen tilapia. I get it like Walmart, and it thaws super fast. Okay guys, I didn't time this or nothing, but I know it was less than 5 minutes, and you've got 2 tilapia fillets thawed, ready to take out of the pack. Alright, you're going to take your packaged fish, cut the tops off, slide it out of the pack. There we go. Now you got your 2 fillets. Just small knife. Not real small, huh? I like to cut them in half, straight down the middle. I usually just take and make pieces about that big. That piece is really thin, so it can be one in itself. Now you got your pieces cut up. You grab some Frank's Red Hot. Get you a bowl. I'm gonna put about that much sriracha. So don't have much Frank's Red Hot. Like not much at all. How about some good old Texas Pete? Ideally, I'd have had some Frank's Red Hot ready, but you know. Smells good, you smell it? Yeah, I'm gonna have broccoli with my fish. Pretty nice, throw it in the microwave. 5 minutes. So now I'm going to take all my red hot soaked tilapia and stick it in the flour. So I'm anxious to see how this works out. Now you got it in here. Stir these around, get them all coated up. I put salt and pepper in mine. It smells really sweet. I didn't taste it plain, so I'm making a mess. And I'm gonna throw these puppies in. Start with just a few and make sure this is gonna work out right. This don't seem to be working out too well. So I don't suggest deep frying the coconut flour. Let's see what I've got here. I mean, it looks okay, but the coconut flour is just burning way too fast. So now we're gonna do some pan frying. Bet you can't guess what kind of oil I'm gonna use. Coconut oil. How about that? So, I have no idea how this is going to turn out. This may be a big fail. My broccoli's done. Put a little butter in my broccoli bag here and let it melt. I'll get my plate ready here and set you up and we'll taste it and see what it tastes like. So here's what it looks like. Didn't turn out too bad, I don't guess, but get a big piece here. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the deep fried in the deep fryer piece. Looks done. It's good. I taste very faint of the red hot. I don't know what happens. I've used other kinds of, like the bagged fish fry batter stuff that you get, and done the red hot that way, and that seems to really lock in the flavor of the red hot, that kind of stuff. But if you use just regular flour, it's like the red hot just goes away, and it's the same way with this stuff. But I thought it would have kind of a sweet taste because of the flour smelled so sweet, but broccoli's really good. But it doesn't taste sweet at all. It's very close to flour, it's just dry. So here's the pan fried. The breading is kind of wet, not like the deep fryer, but let's try it. Oh my gosh, that's extremely sweet. Like, too sweet. Don't like it. Shoo. So, deep fried's definitely better. I'm not sure if you're even supposed to fry coconut flour, I don't know. But I'm gonna finish eating this and hope I'm not hungry afterwards. But hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe this helped some of you out there. If you're new to the keto, or if you just wanted to try coconut flour deep fried fish, I would definitely deep fry in a deep fryer with really small pieces so that they get done really quickly and it doesn't burn. That's my take on it. Subscribe to my channel. You go see stuff like this from time to time. Hit the like button. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.